The following message has been transmitted by the request from the Centers for Disease Control or CDC. At 9:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, there are reports of poison from the rat poison factory in Twix food factory. So far, 49 people are reported sick and hospitalized, and 21 people have critical condition, and 11 people have died. It is believed that this virus is foodborne. This disease have the following symptoms include, but are not limited to, coughing, sneezing, increased heart rate, lower blood pressure, seizure, vomiting, diarrhea, runny nose, and headaches. If you believe one of your family member is poisoned, call 911 immediately to prevent death. There are 81 confirmed cases of Twix food poisoning.